Hello, in today's video I'll be installing this Michelin 22-inch wiper blade, and it will be installed on this F150. So we'll take it step by step and show you all how to install it. So on the F150, all we have to do is, you see that this right here, you just push it back and then it should come right off. Alright, so all you have to do to take this wiper off is there's this little lever here. You pull on that and you're pulling this out. So there you go, it is off. Now with this new one, it's very simple. All you gotta do is look for this right here. This right here. So in this truck, all you gotta do is just pull this in. Alright, okay, there you go. And now you see here, the edge of this plastic is in this metal. Now, go ahead and put it down. And there you go, it's installed. So that is the product installed. And as you can see, this wiper blade was just destroyed, oddly enough, just from like the middle area, which is really weird. But yeah, so anyways guys, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content similar to this, or just content in general, leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It'll really help out the channel. Also, there's sometimes links on the channel, and those links help to get money for the channel as well. And it all goes back to towards the channel. So anyways guys, thank you all for watching, and I will watch you on the next one.